Hey guys, good morning. Mr. Butler here. It's Monday, April 6th. Want to give a big shout out to all my students in first, third, and fifth periods. Good to see you guys and be with you. Want to give a shout out to all the students I had last year who are in Miss Collins' class this year. Welcome home, my children. And for those students out there who don't know me and are thinking, why in the world is this guy teaching us and not Miss Collins? I'm sorry. You have definitely stepped down in the world. But anyways, welcome to Global Studies today. Did you know about planting rice? I bet you didn't. Good thing I can teach you today. There's a bunch of different steps that go into growing rice in just 120 days. First, you got to soak the seeds. Then you got to incubate the seeds. Then you got to plant the seeds in a flooded field. That's why all those pictures in Asia, the fields are always flooded, like the one above my head. Then you have to maintain 2 to 3 centimeters of water in that field. You got to pull the rice seedlings to transplant them into yet another flooded field. And then you got to apply fertilizer and herbicide. You got to maintain 3 to 5 centimeters of water. And then finally, harvest by cutting by hand or machine. Notice how big a role water plays in all of these steps. And actually, right now in the United States, we have a water shortage like in California, so it's hard to grow rice. But Southeast Asia's geography and climate makes it a perfect place to grow rice, and it's a big part of their culture. So we're going to be learning about the rivers of Southeast Asia today and how they use them to grow rice. All right, our agenda today, we are going to, by the end of this week, work on our Parallel Rivers assignment. We're going to do something called Whispering Cloth writing assignment. We're going to make a children's colonialism book, and you're also going to post on the April 9th check-in discussion board. Our learning target today is I can explain the benefit of Southeast Asia's rivers and the challenges they face. And you'll know you're successful today if you can name 3 benefits of Southeast Asia rivers and 2 challenges they face and 1 solution to those challenges. So let's rock and roll. Good to be with you all again today. All right, I'm going to hand out some papers. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the Parallel Rivers assignment on Schoology, and we're going to be using the text to complete the assignment. Once you finish, submit the assignment, and you're going to be posting your possible solutions on the discussion board by using your brain to choose 1 issue that the rivers face. Come up with your own solution and think about possible challenges to your solution. So what are some things that could happen that would prevent it from working? So look on the example that you see on the discussion board. Next, oops, too far. As we start reading together, all right, we're going to read part of the Parallel Rivers assignment together. The rest you'll read by yourself. You're going to be following along on your own sheet of paper. You're going to clear all the distractions around you. So put down your TikToks and your Instacarts and your Snapgrams and listen to the rock and focus. Dude's a beast. Actually, he kind of looks like me, but all right. So we're going to get out this bad boy right here today. Remember, you're going to be writing down benefits and challenges as we read. So you're going to open up this text, and I'm going to read the beginning all the way up to right here. All right, so let's read together. 3 parallel rivers, that means they run side by side, run through mainland Southeast Asia. The Mekong, the Chao Phraya, and the Irrawaddy. They begin in the highlands and flow south through valleys between mountains. As they approach the sea, they divide into a triangular shape made up of smaller streams. These river deltas are composed of silt or fertile soil. The rivers carried from upstream. At 2,600 miles, the Mekong River is the longest in Southeast Asia. Now, stop right there. As you are looking for benefits and challenges, should you write down that the Mekong River is 2,600 miles? That's a no. Why not? Because that's just a cool fact. That's not really a benefit. So be able to distinguish between benefits and just cool trivia facts. The length of the river is just a cool trivia fact. This river runs through the middle of mainland and forms part